Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is cheesy garlic bread. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, first we prepare the loaf of bread. Using a sharp knife, cut 4 or 5 slits down the length of the loaf, making sure you don't cut all the way through. You're not looking to slice the bread. Next, you cut along its width to make a square pattern with the bread, as you see here. And if your knife skills are anything like my wife's, now's a good time to check how many fingers you got left. After a satisfactory finger count, take the sliced cheese and place inside the slits in the bread. Next, you cover the loaf of bread with tin foil and it's off to a preheated 160-degree oven for 20 minutes. Then you can prepare the garlic batter. Simply add the garlic to the batter, which has been well softened, and thoroughly mix together. And when the loaf's had its 20 minutes in the oven, simply remove from the oven, remove the tin foil, then spoon the garlic batter into the slots in the bread. How hard can that be? And be generous at this point, I think. Once all the garlic butter is soaked into the bread, it's back off to the oven for a further 15 minutes uncovered. And wearing garish socks to do this is not compulsory. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and hopefully we'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye for now.